All right, just a general risk for thunderstorms today. The best location for showers and thunderstorms really looks to be across the mountain counties. I think if you're joining us from the Cumberland Plateau, less likely to see the rain. You may see a couple pop-up showers, but look at the moisture that could be developing across the mountain counties. It's going to stay there for much of the evening hours and kind of fade away as we head into dinner time. Temperatures this afternoon topping out in the 80s. Here's your 7-day forecast. Sunnier, drier conditions on the way as we round out the week.